Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a small stool design in SolidWorks. So let's see how we create this part in SolidWorks, and later we render in Keyshot 7. Now look how we design this small stool in SolidWorks. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. To create this part, first of all go to the file. Now select new and here select part, then OK, and change the background to plain white. Now select top plane, right click, sketch, then normal, and here make the center rectangle from this point. So select this point and make the rectangle up to this. Now go to the smart dimension. So select the smart dimension. This length will be 165 mm. So make it, then OK. Now this length will be 195 mm, then OK. Now go to the features and select the extrude boss base and its extrude reverse direction. So make it reverse, and here we extrude this sketch 130 mm. So make it, and here one thing, make the draft. So select the draft and make the draft 4 degree and make the draft outward. So select, now it's come outward direction. Now look, then OK, and here we give the fillet to all the edge of 20 mm. So select the fillet and now make it 20 mm, and select separately all the edge. So select here and the last one, then OK. Now again select this face, right click, sketch, and go to the convert entities, and now select this face. Now it will be selected, then OK, and here we make the offset to this sketch of 4 mm. So make the offset 4 mm, and here select this line, but it make it this sketch reverse direction. So select reverse. Now it comes inward direction, then OK. And here make this sketch extrude up to 20 mm. So go to the features and select extrude boss base. Now select here, select contour and select this, and here make it direction, make it blind, and extrude up to 20 mm. So make it 20 mm, and here give the draft 4 degree, and then OK. Again make the fillet of upper corner 4 radius. So select the fillet and here make the fillet of 4 mm, and select this outer corner, then OK, and again select the fillet and make the fillet of 4 mm, then select this line and then OK. Now again select the fillet and make the fillet of 4 mm. Now select this line, then OK. Now let's apply the material to this stool. So go to the appearance and here select the plastic and select high gloss plastic, then simply select and drag to this part, then OK. Now here make the color, change the color. So select and double click and make it blue. then OK, and here we give the cell of 1.5 mm, so select the cell and make the cell 1.5, and here select this face, then OK. Now we make the cell to this sketch, and now here select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and here select center line. So from this point make the center line up to this point, so select and make up to, and here select the center point, straight slot, and from this point make the straight slot up to this. Now again go to the smart dimension, this length will be 80 mm, so make it 80, and this radius will be 35, then OK. Now here we make the extrude cut, so go to the features and now select the extrude cut, and here we extrude cut through all, then OK. Now we cut this portion, and here select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and here select the center point, straight slot, and from this point make the straight slot up to this one, and this length will be, go to the smart dimension, and this length will be 60 mm, and this arc will be 35 radius, so make it 35, then OK, and here make the extrude cut, so select extrude cut and make the extrude cut through all. Now it will be selected, then OK. Now we cut this portion, and again select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the center line, so select this one, and select, from this point make the straight slot, so, and go to the smart dimension, from this point and this point the gap will be 38 mm, and this length will be 40 mm, so make it 40 mm, and this arc will be 15 radius, then OK. Now here we make the extrude cut, so go to the features and select extrude cut, and extrude cut up to through all, so make it through all, then OK. Now we cut this part, and again select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and here select this face, sketch, and go to the sketch and make it normal, and here select the convert entity, and now select the separately all the edge, so select one and this, then OK. Now it will be selected. Now go to the offset entity and make the offset of 2 mm, and here select this one, then OK. And now go to the features and select the extrude boss base and extrude up to 2 mm, then OK. And make it mirror to this extrude, so select the mirror and here select front plane and features to mirror, so simply select this extrude boss base, then OK. Now here select this face, right click, then normal, and here select the convert entity, and now select separately all this, then delete this face and the last one, then OK. And now go to the offset entity and make the offset of 2 mm. Now select this one, then OK. And go to the features, select extrude boss base and extrude up to 2 mm, then OK. And here we give the fillet, so go to the fillet and make the fillet of 4 mm, so select, then OK. Again select this and make it also, so select this one, then OK. And here select the fillet and make the fillet of this line 1 mm, make it 5.5, and again make the fillet to this one, so go to the fillet and make the fillet of 4 mm, then select this, then OK. And now select the fillet and make the fillet to this edge, so select here, then OK. Now we apply this fillet and make the fillet of 1 mm to this inner corner, then OK. Now we create this small stool in SolidWorks, and now we render, so look how to render this part. So go to the render tool and here we select the final render, Now it's render. So look, now look how we render this part in SolidWorks, and I also render in Keyshot 7. So look how we render. Then okay, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.